Hey y'all, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I am about to cook dinner and it's actually 7 o'clock. I don't know why I always wait until, well actually I do know why. I just finished uploading and posting about today's Vlogmas. But anyway, I am about to make some buffalo chicken dip and some jalapeno poppers. And funny story really quick. Well, it's funny now. I made some jalapeno poppers last night. And like a dummy, I put it on a cookie sheet. Why? I have no clue. So the grease started pouring over down into the oven and smoked up the whole kitchen, almost the whole house, but we have like an open kitchen and living room, so it smoked up this whole area and the pups were freaking out. And yeah, they did not like that at all. So I was opening doors and windows. I put a fan and it's actually kind of smoking up again because I forgot to clean out the oven earlier. So hopefully it won't be too bad and they won't freak out again. But I am going to go ahead and do that. I have no idea where I got this coupon recipe. I looked at the other side and it has a coupon. And it expires in 2015, so that's how long I have had this recipe. So yeah, I don't know, it was just super easy. So that's what I'm using. So I will list it down below in the description bar if y'all want to make it. And my husband, he is a duck hunter and he started making, I think it was last year, he started doing jalapeno duck poppers. So you do it the same way, just jalapeno, cream cheese, the duck meat, and then wrap that in bacon, and that is so good. We're definitely gonna have to make those soon, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started with all of this. I'm actually using turkey that I have. Okay, here's the jalapeno poppers and the chicken turkey dip before, and whenever it's done I'll show y'all after. Here's the buffalo dip and the jalapeno poppers. Now it is time to eat. Sorry you hear the dishwasher in the background, but I decided to make brownies to a very healthy supper tonight. So I'm looking kind of crazy now because it's 1:30 in the morning, but now that I think about it, I think I always look like this during Vlogmas, but it's fine. So I am about to make the dogs their stockings. Finally, I thought it better since it is 10 days till Christmas. And what I'm going to do is put their name on it. So I have a Silhouette Cameo, and that is what prints out vinyl and things like that. And I have this gold glitter heat transfer vinyl. So that is how I'm going to put it on here. I'm really hoping that this is enough for 2 stockings because this is all I have left. And this is what I used on mine and my husband's stocking. So I want to get that done. And then I want to get this vlog edited. That way I don't have to worry about it tomorrow, because tomorrow my husband and I are going Christmas shopping for everybody. But we do this every year. I feel like now is kind of a tradition. I think this might be, actually I've lost track of how many years we've done this. I know for sure 3, but probably more. But hey, it works for us. We're both just last minute people. I have always been a procrastinator. He doesn't really make plans. Plus right now it is duck season and that's kind of all that's on his brain. So we told ourselves we would go tomorrow. We usually make a list on the way to go shopping. So that's what we're gonna do tomorrow. And in the morning, the dogs have a haircut appointment. So after they get done, we are gonna head to probably Chattanooga and do our Christmas shopping and hopefully finish. We actually, I think every year we get everybody, but I'm gonna start working on these. So I think these are actually different sizes than mine and my husband's. I just get these plain red ones. They have some super cute ones. I love the sweater looking ones, but I don't know, these are just classic, and then I put our names on them. So yeah, I'm really hoping that this is enough for both. I don't know if it's gonna be, so fingers crossed it is. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. And I have to use my laptop because that's what my program is on, and I don't want to put it on this computer since it's already on this one. Oh no. I don't know what font I used because I did our stockings pretty sure on my old laptop. Yes, these are totally different stockings. The bottom part is wider on, I keep wanting to say the kids because they are our kids. So if you hear me say kids, I'm meaning the dogs. But at least there's matches, and mine and my husband matches. And I got them all at Walmart, but I probably got these 5 years ago. So here is what mine looks like. And that's so pretty. I just love them. So now I just gotta try and find, I have like paper down in it because of where they are. They kind of turn, so I wanted that so it would kind of stand up on its own. Okay, so I'm going to try and figure out what font this is, and once I get it figured out, I will show you what all I do and show you the rest of the process. Update, both names are going to fit on this piece of vinyl, and I don't think this is the same font because I typed my name out and I could not find one that looked like mine, but it's fancy, it's cursive, I think it looks good, and at least their names will match. And I thought that I would explain how to do it or show y'all just in case you have one of these and you haven't done any heat transfer vinyl yet. But fair warning, I am terrible at explaining things, so this is probably going to make no sense at all. So what you do first, obviously you have to have the Silhouette software, but it comes with your machine. So what I did was typed out their names, and it comes with a mat, and how I measure stuff is with this mat because you can put on your screen, you can have it to where it displays the grid, and I like to do that. That way I can make sure it's gonna fit. So what I did was I put the mat on the stocking. That way I could see how tall it could be and how wide I wanted it to be. So that is how I measure and how I figure out the sizes, and it works for me, so I keep doing that. And then you just place your vinyl on your mat, and this is sticky, so that's what helps it to stick. And if you are doing heat transfer vinyl, this is a very important step. Probably, I'm going to say it is tied for first in important steps for heat transfer. So see, this side is shiny and glittery, so this is the side I want to be face up on the stocking. See how this side is not glittery? You want the pretty glittery side or shiny side. See how that side's matte? I guess that's an easier way. Put them side by side. So see how that's shiny? That is not. Shiny side goes down on your mat. And I'm going to press that on my mat so it doesn't slide around, because if it slides around, that could be very bad. The other very, very important step is to make sure you flip your design. My ring light's right there. So I don't know if y'all can see that, but see how their names are backwards? You want to flip it because it is going to be printing on this side. So when you flip this over to the shiny side, you want it to be the right way. Hopefully that makes sense. So I think the very first time I did heat transfer vinyl, I didn't flip it. I'm sorry, this is a disaster over here. Maybe one day I will for real clean everything. What I'm gonna do is make sure my blade is on the right settings and make sure my machine is on the right settings. So what you do is you go click on send. So that is getting it ready to cut. I'm gonna change the settings myself. So the force you want to be on 10 and the speed is going to be on 5. So that means how hard it's going to press down and how fast it's going to cut it out. So I just always keep it on that. And then I think the blade is supposed to be on 4. No, the blade is on 5. So I think it is already set up. Okay, y'all, I'm actually really nervous. I don't know if this is gonna work because I don't know if y'all can see that, but it cut all the way through. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna be so sad. I probably should have put the blade on 4. Look at all that. I gotta throw it away. Makes me so sad. I need to order some more because I always want to do stuff, but I never had the vinyl, and I actually need to order some regular vinyl for my husband because they have a duck hunting Instagram, and I made him a decal for his Ranger and his truck, and I think his friends want one too. Yes, look at that. Oh, it looks so good. Okay, so what I mean by weeding it is, see how there's still some glitter in the letters? I have to pull that off, and then like in the middle of the A and the Y, I have to pull that out. Oh, looks so good. So excited. So I'm going to cut these apart so it will be easier to iron on. Shoot. I think I needed Man, I should have made it bigger. Oh well. Okay, so now I'm going to iron these on and I will come back and show you the finished product. So the stockings didn't go according to plan, story of my life, and I was talking, doing my little ending, showing all the stockings, and I wasn't recording. So let's try this again. Here is copper stocking. Ugh. I guess that's what I get for filming at 2:30 in the morning. So part of the R is missing, and I don't know that those look like peas, but it is what it is. And then daisies, part of the letter that like connects, or part of the piece that connects the S and Y is kind of missing. But they aren't terrible. And then they will be hanging from like underneath the TV, so I don't think you'll be able to see. But I still wanted them to look cute. But that is going to be it for today's Vlogmas. I hope y'all enjoyed cooking again with me and this little tutorial on the silhouette cameo. But now I'm going to upload this footage, try and get it done. It shouldn't take me too long because I just have to kind of fast forward through the cooking and do all this, but I don't think, hopefully it won't take long. And then I'm gonna go to bed because I'm starting to get kind of tired, and since everything is going wrong, I think it's time for me to go to bed. But that is it for today, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.